Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix when you can't buy a game from the PlayStation 5 store. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So if you're trying to buy a game from the PlayStation 5 store and the purchase just simply will not go through, what are some things you can go ahead and do to get around this problem? Now the first thing I want you to go ahead and do is going to settings right here and selecting this, and then going on down to users and accounts and selecting this, and then scroll on down to other and go over to restore licenses. Now this simply says restore licenses for downloaded content you can't use. So let's just go to this and just quickly restore everything, and I'll close the application. Now once it restores all the licenses, go to the PlayStation Store and see if this resolves your ability to buy games, and then go back up to account and go over to payment and subscriptions to manage your payment methods and subscriptions. Now under here, go to add funds. Now if you can't buy the game with like your credit card, specifically when you're on the checkout screen, go to add funds right here and then select your credit card and add funds prior to buying the game. So if I was going to buy a game for 60 bucks, well, there's going to be included sales tax. So I'd want to go ahead and do this. I would want to buy it for $60 and add funds to my wallet, and then do additionally, and then add like $5. So you can go ahead and buy the game for 65 bucks. And it'll be what, like $2 or $3 for the sales tax. So you'd be spending a little bit more money than is necessary, but that money would still be in your wallet balance for future purchases. Another thing that you could do is deleting your credit card and then putting it back on there. So all you have to do is go to payment method once again, find your credit card, go to options and go to remove, and then go to add debit card / credit card to the left of this, and then add your credit card back on your account. Then if that doesn't work, try this. Go to account and then scroll on down to address and change your address and try a different location. Otherwise, if your postal code is wrong from your credit card region, maybe try changing your postal code. Now I just changed mine to a state without any sales tax, so like Alaska. I just typed in 99703 and I was still able to buy stuff through the store even though I had a different postal code than my credit card. Also, to completely bypass everything, download the PlayStation phone app and make purchases from the PlayStation Store on that. Otherwise, go to PlayStation.com, sign in with your email address and password associated with your PlayStation account, and then buy the game online using a web browser. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.